vrij stabiel.
Ik bedoel, met dat we niet naar de 60 gaan, dan willen we het uitkijken afrekenen welke je
Stoor ik jou? Ja, ik heb zo lang niet meer van je gehoord. Ik dacht van, hoe zit het met de gasprijs?
Het systeem van verhandelbare emissierechten is een van de meest krachtige instrumenten om CO2-emissies en broeikasgassen te reduceren. Het systeem plaatst effectief een cap, een beperking op de totale uitstoot die er in de Europese Unie kan plaatsvinden. Daaraan gebonden wordt er een marktprijs gevormd voor die emissierechten, voor de hoeveelheid die je kan uitstoten per ton CO2.
European Community, Her Excellency Ms. Rit Beauregard.
It was great to be here.
Scarcity of allowances is essential for having a positive market price, and we need a positive market price so as to drive into the economy the right technologies, to make entrepreneurs making the right investment decisions. And that's now what is being addressed. We have had national allocation plans for the second period. The Commission took decisions up to now. More than 20 decisions have been taken. That means that the market is established for the second period, and we observe that the market prices today are around 20 euros per ton of CO2. So that's not too bad.
The price currently for the phase 1 is 45 cents. So quite big difference if you look at phase 2, where the price is 19.75 euros. If it's so cheap to emit a ton of CO2, only 45 cents, you know, why does company have to do anything? It's cheaper to go on ECX and buy the tons you need than to make a huge investment in your factory to clean up your dirty technology.
middels wordt uitgekeken afgerekend welke bij je luistert.
A EU allowance price of around 20 euros, I believe, is a very credible price. Anything between, let's say, 10 euros and 25 euros should be a credible price. If it goes below 10, then there's a lot less incentives to start investing in clean technologies.
We know that our raw product has a price, the energy we have to use has a price, but CO2, the emission, also has a price. So it's now part and parcel of doing business in this refinery.
DSM are very interested in having this nitrous oxide into the European trading system. In fact, together with the Dutch Fertilizer Association, we requested to our government to have this inside of the system. If you put it into the system, there is the ability that if you reduce the emissions, let's say further than the benchmark level, you have actually an option to create value for your own company and get the money that you put into the investment, you can earn it back.
Basic economic theory says that there must be a bottom line where the cost can never be earned back. And we don't know exactly where it will end. Some people think maybe you can even put households into the system. Most people say or think that that will be taking it a bit too far. But the larger sectors, like aviation, large transports, ocean-going vessels, that kind of things, look quite possible, quite promising candidates.
The EU is definitely leading the way on this. Everybody looks at the EU for this, for how emission trading works for climate. Australia is seriously discussing an emission trading system. The United States is seriously discussing an emission trading system in the Congress. And those are the two main countries that are outside Kyoto.